mental clarity and stress relief. Your mind feels heavy lately? Here's a simple reset. In the next few minutes, let's clear your mind and give you the space you deserve. Stress is sneaky. It builds up quietly, layer by layer, until you suddenly feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. Overthinking becomes your default mode, draining your precious energy and leaving you feeling exhausted before the day even really begins. This mental clutter makes everything feel harder than it needs to be. Simple tasks feel monumental and decisions become overwhelming. If you're feeling this way, it's not a sign of weakness. It's your mind, your entire being, sending you a clear signal. It's asking for a break. It's time to listen. Now, you might be thinking you don't have time for a break. You can't just drop everything and go on a week-long retreat. I get it, but here's the good news. You don't need a full day off to feel better. You don't even need an hour. A few small, intentional shifts can completely reset your entire mood and outlook. Our nervous system is incredibly responsive. It doesn't always need grand gestures. It responds beautifully to simple, consistent habits that signal safety and calm. True, lasting change often starts with these small, manageable steps. Let's do this together right now. First, let's breathe slowly. Take a deep inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, hold it gently for 2 seconds. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, and a long, slow exhale for 6. One more time. This simple act tells your body it's safe to relax. Next, let's relax your shoulders. Did you even notice they were tense? A lot of our stress lives physically in our bodies. So right now, consciously drop your shoulders away from your ears. Feel that release? Now unclench your jaw. You might be surprised how much tension you are holding there. Let your tongue rest gently on the roof of your mouth. It is amazing how these small physical adjustments can send a wave of calm through your entire system. Your body and mind are connected, so releasing physical tension helps to release mental tension too. Now, let's focus your thoughts. Your mind is probably racing with a to-do list a mile long. That's okay. For this moment, I want you to pick just one thing. It could be the next task on your list, or it could be simply focusing on your breath. Whatever it is, give it your full attention. As for everything else, mentally place all those other thoughts, worries, and tasks into a box and set it aside. Just for now, you can come back to it later if you need to. Clarity doesn't come from juggling everything at once. It comes from simplicity and single tasking. Finally, let's create some mental space. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes for a moment. Picture a place that feels calm and peaceful to you. It could be a quiet beach, a forest with dappled sunlight, or even just a cozy, silent room. Imagine yourself there. Now picture your thoughts as particles of sand stirred up in a glass of water. They're swirling around, making the water cloudy. As you continue to breathe slowly, watch those particles gently, slowly settle down at the bottom, leaving the water crystal clear. That clarity is available to you. Your mind just needs a moment of stillness to find it. As we move through this process, let's embrace a few powerful mindset shifts. First, know that you are allowed to slow down. Your worth is not, and never has been, measured by your productivity. We live in a culture that glorifies being busy, but true strength lies in knowing when to pause. Peace is not some far-off destination you have to earn. It's a decision you can make moment by moment. These small resets are not indulgences. They are essential maintenance. They are what prevent the small stresses from building into big breakdowns. And a huge part of this is learning to let go of what you cannot control. So much of our anxiety comes from trying to manage outcomes that are simply not in our hands. Release that burden. How are you feeling now? Take a moment to check in with yourself. Your mind is likely a little clearer. your body is a little more relaxed, take one more gentle, deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs and then release it completely. Please remember, you are doing so much better than you think you are. Navigating life is hard, and the fact that you took these few minutes for yourself is a victory. This is your moment of calm. Hold on to it. You can return to this feeling anytime you need to. Just press pause and breathe. If this practice helped you, please consider sharing it with someone who might need a moment of peace today. And for more simple, practical ways to manage stress and find clarity in your daily life, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You deserve it.